Jericho Jr. Loyalty Award. Banlota Ronan S. Hanas in Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing. Damilis John Benedict Loyalty Award. Igonia Joshua Maos Loyalty Award. Silver is Janting Hanas in Electronic Product Assembly and Servicing. Equipaje Ruben Hoyos Loyalty Award. Loyalty Award. Galopo Charles Jafan Otbo Loyalty Award. Gregorio Renal Tundum Loyalty Award. Joven Stephen Ray Turing Loyalty Award. Llanos Ian Morillo Imetia Loyalty Award. Nazarito Landmark Amonia Loyalty Award. Lobang Jelmin Dayangay Loyalty Award. Lumidas Charles Ian Abay Loyalty Award. Masangit Etienne Tobiasan Loyalty Award. Miranda Ivan J. Insinso Loyalty Award. Muya General J. Dumin Loyalty Award. Rulis John Ray Tabada Loyalty Award and a recipient of Best in PWL Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing. Romanilius Hans Russell Perez Loyalty Award. Robilia Christopher Boltron Award and Vidal Lejan Clarin Loyalty Award.